Today's gonna be a great day. We're riding Ebbetts Pass.
Yeah, nice way to start the day. Oh, look at that. Starting on a slightly chilly day here in Walker, but I'm only going to go about a half mile because I'm going to have some coffee and wait for it to warm up even a little bit more. See what the bike says it is. 44 degrees, so it's a little cold. Order coffee.
I like the coffee here, and the scramble cup is a hearty way to start your day.
Tasty. Good stuff. I love this place. Now we ride.
Our route today is a simple but epic one, heading over Monitor and Ebbetts Passes, two of the finest in the Sierra Nevada.
So it is definitely warmed up. Just shy of 51 degrees right now. A couple of gals that I was standing behind in line when I ordered my coffee said it snowed on Thursday quite a bit. Right down here, not in the mountains and stuff. I'm like, really? Wow, that was just a few days ago. And there's no sign of it. I mean, sure, you see some snow way up there at the top of the mountains, and I saw a little sprinkling in some of the mountains and little patches on the side of the road here and there, way up at altitude. Getting into Monitor Pass now. Oh, I'm just gonna fly into me. This is the section that had a little icy water, probably right there. Yeah, that looks a little icy. It's in shade most of the day. That's one thing I'm going to have to keep my eyes open before going over these passes. Hello then. Baby squirrel, I think. Starting to dash young. The squirrel buddies are going,
Yeah, good job there. Right on, high five.
a little while he'll graduate to the double back. It's the advanced squirrel dash. I saw one try a triple back once. It did not end well for him. But he died doing what he loved. Ooh, wow, a whole bunch of bikes. Stragglers. I love how this section of the path, the start of it and the end of it, are real twisty like this. And there are some other twisty spots in the middle. There's also some open spots. But it starts and ends right away. There's some nice twisties. It's like, I shall anoint you motorcycle friendly. Now, Ebbetts Pass, if you're not familiar with it, is what I call a goat trail. It's very narrow. And it doesn't immediately start out that way, but there's no dividing line. There's some tight uphill switchbacks. Ebbetts is a blast to ride. Pretty much all these mountain passes rock. It's a matter of how much they rock. Or at what tempo they rock at. Ooh, got some colors here. Check that out. Right along the river. Yeah. Cool. Riding this just puts a smile on my face. Ooh. Little pine cone there. That seems to be the theme of the weekend. Pine cone grenades in the middle of the road. Fortunately, we have not exploded one of them. Yeah. Nice way to start the day. Here we go. Goodbye, yellow line. Hello, goat trail. Okay, this is pretty wide for a goat trail. Gonna be like this probably for, I don't know, 20 miles. We haven't even got to like switchbacks and stuff, which I think we're, oh yeah, they are coming right up. Look at that. I just love how the road dances over the terrain. Oh, you can see through this. Nice. Went a little bit wide. Maybe I should have downshifted it first. Never outride your sight lines. All the pine cones moved to the side of the road. Well, thank you, pine cones. Thread the needle on this end. Why not? And I will say once again, when you're on a narrow road, the right side of your bike should be green from all the foliage hitting your bike. Stay to the right. And you'll notice even when I don't need to, I usually am. I mean, when I have a lot of sight, this is a tight, very uphill the first gear, good. Haha, nice, good line. Outside, inside, outside. Okay, normally I rip right up these. This guy's going really slow. But look how much of the road he takes up. No, he isn't on the line, but there's not a whole lot to the left for him. And see, here he is. He moved over. Okay, we're good. Give him a friendly wave.
These are the best days.
Oh, this is nice. Yeah. The switchbacks on Sonora, they're kind of open and scenic, or at least some of them. There's one particular section I'm thinking about. It's just gorgeous. You get distracted while you're navigating said switchbacks. It's so pretty. There's a cool tree, that stubby thing. Got ourselves the reservoir. Historical landmark, Ebbetts Pass. Odd thing to have in the middle of the road there. Stopped off at a rather large little pullout. Little picnic table there and stuff. Not that I used it, but changed batteries, took out my liners. Changed to the warmer weather gloves. Hermit Valley. I don't remember this. Nice. Yeah. Sweet. I thought we were done with all this kind of stuff. No, says Ebbetts Pass. But wait, there's more. You also get an extra helping of twisties. Today's special, until we run out.
These are the best days.
Oh. I totally missed this when I was looking at the GPS. Was not ready for that. Not ridden this enough times. You think I'd know the road better? And of course there was a car coming right in the middle of it. At least I managed to get down to first. I was worried I was going to stall it. Give it gas at too high of a gear, at too low of a speed. But nope, I didn't screw up that much, fortunately. Yeah.
Hey, do me a favor and give this video a like, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we need your support to keep making these videos. In the next episode,
Alright. Sweet.
we continue our ride on Ebbetts Pass.
They're everywhere. Check it out. I've got dive bomb.
And then work our way on some back roads. And one final pass. Before bringing this series to its inevitable conclusion. Next time on Ride On.